Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. In today's video, we will learn 20 new general knowledge multiple choice question and answer across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. Which country is known as the battlefield of Europe? Option A Belgium, B Switzerland, C France, and D Italy. The correct answer is Belgium. Belgium has historically been the site of many major European battles due to its central location and flat terrain, including conflicts like the Battle of Waterloo, 1815, numerous battles during World War I and significant fighting in World War II. Question number 2. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Option A elephant, B tiger, C lion, and D peacock. The correct answer is elephant. The national heritage animal of India is the Indian elephant. The government of India declared the elephant as the national heritage animal in 2010 to promote its conservation and acknowledge its significant cultural and ecological importance in the country. Question number 3. Brazil was the colony of which country? Option A France, B Portugal, C Spain, and D England. The correct answer is Portugal. Brazil was the colony of Portugal from 1500 until its independence in 1822. Portuguese explorers arrived in 1500, establishing a colonial presence that eventually grew to include a monarchy and integral part of the Portuguese Empire. The colony was also known as Portuguese America. Question number 4. Who wrote the poem The Bird of Time? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, B Kamala Suraya, C Vikram Seth, and D Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. The Bird of Time is a poetry collection book by Indian poet Sarojini Naidu in 1912. The book consists of 4 chapters which contain 47 poems in total. It is Naidu's second book and most strongly nationalist book of poems published from both London and New York City. Question number 5. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Option A Norway, B Switzerland, C Finland, and D Spain. The correct answer is Switzerland. Switzerland is known as the playground of Europe because of its breathtaking landscape, including the Alps, and its popularity for adventure sports and luxury travel. The country offers numerous opportunities for activities such as skiing, hiking, and exploring picturesque mountain village, making it favorite destination for tourists seeking adventure and national beauty. Question number 6. Which mammal spends 90% of its life hanging upside down? Option A bat, B lemur, C possum, and D sloth. The correct answer is sloth. Question number 7. Which of the following is the home base of the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya? Option A Karwar, B Cochin, C Jamnagar, and D Visakhapatnam. The correct answer is Karwar. Question number 8. Which of the following materials is used on magnetic tapes? Option A barium chloride, D chromium oxide, C ferric oxide, and D sodium oxide. The correct answer is ferric oxide. side. Question number 9. Who of the following was the first person from Maharashtra to become a grandmaster in chess? Option A. Abhijit Kunte, B. Swati Ghate, C. Tejas Bakre, and D. Praveen Thipse. The correct answer is Praveen Thipse. Praveen Thipse achieved the Grandmaster title in 1997. He was also the third Indian overall to earn the Grandmaster title after Viswanath Anand and Dibyendu Baru. Question number 10. Biological catalysts in living organisms are known as option A. Hormones, B. Vitamins, C. Steroids, and D. Enzymes. The correct answer is enzymes. Question number 11. Which is the first country to issue plastic currency? Option A. China, B. Australia, C. USA, and D. Japan. The correct answer is Australia. In 1988, the Reserve Bank of Australia introduced the world's first polymer banknote, a $10 commemorative note, to celebrate the bicentenary of European settlement in Australia. Later in 1990, Australia gradually replaced all its paper notes with polymer notes, becoming the first country to fully adopt plastic currency. Question number 12. Which Nevada city is known for its annual Hot August Night classic car event? Option A. Las Vegas, B. Reno, C. Carson City, and D. Elko. The correct answer is Reno. Hot August Nights is a large annual classic car and nostalgic event celebrated primarily in Reno, Nevada, though event also occur in nearby Spark and Virginia City. Question number 13. Montana is home to the largest population of which iconic American mammal? Option A. American bison, B. Bald eagle, C. Gray wolf, and D. Black bear. The correct answer is American bison. Question number 14. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is option A 24 hours, B 30 days, C 180 days, and D 365 days. The correct answer is 24 hours. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is 24 hours. This is the same as the Earth rotation period around its axis. Geostationary satellites are positioned in a specific orbit above the equator, allowing them to maintain a fixed position related to a point on Earth's surface. Question number 15. Which of the following is manufactured from wood pulp? Option A. Nylon, B. Rayon, C. Acrylic, and D. Bakelite. The correct answer is rayon. Rayon is a regenerated cellulose fiber, meaning it is produced from a natural occurring polymer, cellulose, found in sources like a wood pulp or cotton. This cellulose is chemically processed into a soluble form, dissolved, and then forced through a spinneret to create a filaments. These filaments are then solidified to form the fibers that are used to make a variety of textile and home furnishing products. Question number 16. What is the biggest city in New Zealand? Option A. Hamilton City, B. Christchurch, C. Auckland, and D. Wellington. The correct answer is Auckland. The biggest city in New Zealand is Auckland. It is the country's largest city by population. With over 1.6 million people, about one-third of New Zealand's total population, and is located in the North Island. Question number 17. Name the substance found in blood which help in clotting. Option A, hemoglobin. B, fibrinogen. C, insulin. And D, urea. The correct answer is fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a plasma protein present in blood. During injury, it is converted into fibrin by the action of enzyme thrombin. Fibrin forms a mass-like structure that traps blood cells, thereby forming clot, preventing excessive bleeding. Question number 18. Which city in India is known as the Athens of South India? Option A, Mysore. B, Coimbatore. C, Madurai. And D, Chennai. The correct answer is Madurai. The city of Madurai in Tamil Nadu is known as the Athens of South India, or more commonly the Athens of the East. This nickname is due to its ancient history, rich cultural heritage and architectural splendor, which are comparable to those of the ancient Greek city. Question number 19. Who started the process of decentralization of finances in India? Option A, Lord Ripon. B, Lord Mayo. C, Lord Curzon. C, Lord Minto. The correct answer is Lord Mayo. Question number 20. India's first woman combat officer in the army. Option A, Punita Arora. B, Santi Tiga. C, Priya Yingan. And D, Anjana Bhadoria. The correct answer is Priya Zungan.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.